Hey guys, welcome back. It's Melissa here, and today I am doing a kind of Christmassy look, I think. Every time I show this Colourpop Silver, what is it, On a Whimsy shadow to you guys, you always want to see a look with it, so I decided to do a look with it today. I thought this was kind of a Christmassy color, so I thought it would be good to just do a fun little Christmas look. I think this is going up on Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve or Merry Christmas Eve. What do you say? So when I was trying to decide what to do with this color, I thought with a shimmer like this that is so bold and foiled, the other shadows should be all of the same color. So I have kind of a gradient of greens on with this silver. I think you could use any color with the silver, just doing a gradient of that color. So not having too many colors with it. I think you can still get a really pretty look with it. So I think you could do this look that I did today with any color that you wanted to. I think red would have been really pretty. Purple would be really pretty with it as well. But this is the look that we're going to do today. So we are just going to hop right in. So I'm going to try to use mostly Colourpop shadows for this look. And I want to do kind of a smoky green look. So here is the silver that we're using. And then I'm definitely going to use these two, but I'm probably going to pull something else in as well. I'm going to start with that army green shade in the transition area. And this one is called Team Captain. I'm just going to kind of wash this over in that transition area. Yeah, I'm not sure that that's my favorite army green that I have. I don't know that I really like that. For the crease, I'm going to use this blending brush. It's an E25 from Sigma. Just going to go in the whole crease area. And I want to flick it out a little bit over here because I'm going to use the silver to create the wing as well. So for Team Captain, I was using the Coastal Scents SO6 brush. Not sure that I really love that brush, but I'm also in the process of cleaning all my brushes, so I'm short on brushes right now. All right, so this brush is really nice because you can get right where you want in that crease, but then you can blend it out with the transition color. I'm just going to go in with the Norvina palette and this color base and just kind of pop a little bit up here where we got too much. Team Captain. I'm going to use this Sigma Diffuse Crease. This is an E38. And I'm going to do Team Captain on that one as well. But this one, I'm going to blend it more with Conjure Up than putting it on the transition area. It's more to blend it in there. And then I do need to go back in with Conjure Up and just make sure it's as bold as I want it, because then we're going to go in with the silver shade. I'm just going a little past where the wing would be, and then once I figure out where I'm going to have that silver part of it. All right, so next, since I'm using that silver shade and I'm covering the lid with it, I'm going to use concealer today to create the outline that I want for it. The two brushes I'm going to use are the Luxie 246. This is a precision crease brush. And I'm going to use the Sigma E46. This is an inner corner brush, but it's going to allow me to be really detailed with that concealer. And then I've got my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. So I'm going to start with it on the Luxie brush. I'm just going to start by laying it down. Okay, so then once I do the little rounded part here, I'm just flinging it out where I would the wing. And that's going to be where I have my wing. I think I do want to bring it a little bit more into the crease area. So this is a Morphe 421. I'm going to take my silver shade On a Whimsy. Can you believe this is the first time I'm using this? I bought this over a year ago. That's ridiculous. That just makes being on a low buy this year even more intelligent. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start. I always like to start at the bottom putting it on and get the majority of it on, and then I can go in and clean up everything else. Oh, but this is so pretty. I love the Colourpop like foiled shadows. And there's definitely, do I have it up yet? It either just went up or it's coming up this week. I did a video swatching all of my Colourpop shadows. You can definitely tell a difference between their shimmers and their foiled shadows, although I don't know that on the website when you're purchasing them, there's any difference in their description. You just, when you get them, you realize what a difference there is. Okay, so now that I've got the majority of the lid on, I'm going to go in with that tiny brush. I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics one. It's like a little fan brush, but it's really pointed, like thin right here, so I can get in there pretty detailed with this one. So I'm going to go in with the green shade Conjure Up. I can just get right above there. And then I'm also going to go below, but only part of the way in, and then the Team Captain is going to smudge out the rest of that lid. And then I decided to bring it into the inner corner. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Crease brush and Team Captain. And I am just going to smudge this out all along the lower lash line. The last thing I'm going to do with this shader crease brush, this is an E47, I am going to take this shade right here. It is La Playa, so it's kind of a green highlight-ish shade. And I'm just going to pop it right up here. Still kind of has that green shift to it. And then actually I'm going to take a little bit right here. So now I'm going to finish up this eye. I'm going to do some black tight line. Then I need to find a waterline liner. And I'll put some mascara on, and then I'll show you guys the look. Okay, so I'm back with the other eye finished. I put on the Trace mascara. I really am liking that. I'm kind of going back and forth between what I want in the lower lash line, but I think I do want to put something bright. Just because. I'm just kind of feeling it today. I am going to start out with this one. This is Esmeralda from NYX. It's the Slide On Glide On one. So that's going to be my base. But then I'm going to go in with either the lime green or the turquoise from Colourpop. So let's just see what this looks like. So that one does look good just on its own. I just want something that pops today. I think I'm going to go with the lime green. I think it's called Electric. It is totally rubbed off, but I think this one's electric. I'm not sure, because the yellow one could also be electric. Electric Daisy, that's what it is. All right, so then I'm just gonna pop this right on top. I might need to go in with 2 coats of this Electric Daisy. Not quite as popping as I was thinking. Let's try one more coat and just see what happens, and then I'll be done. Okay, so I am going to leave it at that. So there's the final look with mascara. I think I'm going to put some lashes on today. I'm going to pop these Lashaholic lashes on, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Oh my gosh, so I am not going to pop the Lashaholic lashes on. I guess these have had their last go round, which makes me so sad because I love these lashes. So let me find some other ones to pop on. Okay, we are going to try the Baddington ones today. These are in Monroe, I think. Yes, Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. These are some other favorites, so hopefully they don't die when I take them out like those did. All right, guys, I am back with the final look, and I put Landing in Shanghai from Lip Stories on my lips today, but I like how this look turned out. What do you guys think? I definitely like it with the lashes since I don't have any kind of wing liner. It just kind of pulls it all together with that bright bold silver. I think it just needed a little something more. But this is the final look. I think this is going up on Christmas Eve. So have a very Merry Christmas. Many blessings to you and your families. Thank you guys as always for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.